Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Saturday, February 27, 2021. It is 2:11 and 24 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, Jupiter-like planet. So let's hop to it here. Astronomers discover first cloudless Jupiter-like planet. This marks the second time astronomers have ever observed a cloud-free exoplanet. Date January 22, 2021. Source, Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics. Summary. Astronomers have detected the first Jupiter-like planet, without clouds or haze, in its observable atmosphere. Named WASP 62b, the gas giant was first detected in 2012 through the Wide-Angle Search for Planets, WASP South Survey. Its atmosphere, however, had never been closely studied until now. Known as Hot Jupiter, WASP 62b is 575 light-years away, and about half the mass of our solar system's Jupiter. However, unlike our Jupiter, which takes nearly 12 years to orbit the Sun, WASP 62b completes a rotation around its star in just 4.5 days. This proximity to the star makes it extremely hot, hence the name Hot Jupiter. Using the Hubble Space Telescope, researchers recorded data and observations of the planet using spectroscopy, the study of electromagnetic radiation, to help detect chemical elements. Researchers specifically monitored WASP 62b as it swept in front of its host star 3 times, making it visible light observations which can detect the presence of sodium and potassium in the planet's atmosphere. While there was no evidence of potassium, sodium's presence was strikingly clear. The research team was able to view the full sodium absorption lines in their data, or its complete fingerprint. Clouds or haze in the atmosphere would obscure the complete signature of sodium. The research explains that astronomers usually can only make out small hints of its presence. This is smoking gun evidence that we are seeing a clear atmosphere. Cloud-free planets are exceedingly rare. Astronomers estimate that less than 7% of exoplanets have clear atmospheres, according to recent research. For example, the first and only other known exoplanet with a clear atmosphere was discovered in 2018, named WASP 96b. It is classified as a hot Saturn. Astronomers believe studying exoplanets with cloudless atmospheres can lead to a better understanding of how they were formed. Their rarity suggests something else is going on, or they formed in a different way than most planets. Researchers say clear atmospheres also make it easier to study the chemical composition of planets, which can help identify what a planet is made of. With the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope later this year, the researchers hope to have new opportunities to study and better understand WASP 62b. The telescope's improved technologies, like higher resolution and better precision, should help them probe the atmosphere even closer to search for the presence of more elements such as silicon. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on galactic space, computer science, and astronomy. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.